A sneeze travels at 100 miles per hour, and your body has zero control over it. Once it starts, nothing can stop it. Your nose detects an irritant, sends an emergency signal to your brainstem. Your brainstem takes over completely, closes your eyes, tenses your chest, opens your throat, then fires everything at once. You can't stop a mid-sneeze. Your brain won't let you. But here's what nobody actually tells you. Your eyes close automatically because the pressure would damage them. That's not a reflex. That's protection. Some people sneeze when they see bright light, called the photic sneeze reflex. It's genetic. 1 in 4 people have it. Your optic nerve is wired directly to your sneeze trigger. You can't sneeze with your eyes open. Try it. Nobody can. The brainstem won't allow it. Your body doesn't sneeze. Your brainstem hijacks your body at 100 miles per hour.